here are some turbo wheels sets.
Oh, little building.
They're little buildings. You want to build them together?
Yeah.
Alrighty.
It'll be perfect.
Yeah, you want to start with that one?
Yeah.
You need some help opening it?
No, I got it, Tara. I got it.
You got it?
Yeah. I'm going to tear you open. Let's put this on.
Oh wait, I think there's other pieces that go first.
Oh no, I found 2 holes in there.
Oh, you found 2. You think that goes first? Okay.
Here.
Wow. Where do you think that piece goes?
Here.
Oh, very smart.
But where's the vehicle that goes inside it?
Oh, we'll do that in a little bit. First,
Where's the stickers?
here's the stickers.
So can we do the stickers?
Alright, and then this piece looks like it goes in here. And,
Where does this piece go?
well, let's see.
I think there.
You think there?
I'll get the sticker.
So, let's see. Can you drive the car up onto the ramp?
Yeah.
Alright.
5.
Well, looks like it has a hard time getting up on the ramp. And then, just the lever. And it's up. Oh, that car actually really matches the set well. Bring it back down and it rolls off. That's kind of fun.
Yeah.
Alright, you want some help with the stickers?
Yeah, I want to. Oh, do these bits.
Okay. Here, you want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Okay. Good job.
Where do these pieces go?
Let's see. Let's look at the picture.
This is getting me really good.
Yeah. Up.
Let's put it back on.
Good idea. Now we got the last sticker, the big one that says car repair.
Car repair.
Yeah, do you see where it goes?
Yeah, that.
That's right, up top. Oop.
Okay.
So, let's put
Now, for the first chant.
okay. You're doing such a good job laying that in there. Very nice.
Car repair.
You did it. You want to do another one?
Yeah.
All right.
Like this one next.
Okay.
Okay. So first I took this one, then tear.
Yeah.
Ooh, this looks like one of the bag.
Oh, it's in a bag. Oh, this one's got more pieces.
What?
Yeah. So, okay, are you ready?
We'll have to glue it on.
I think just push it down. Push it down with me. There you go. Push, push, push.
Now the
All right.
garage
Now there's-
door will fall off.
There's more pieces.
Oh, bit stick first then.
Looks like there's 2 more stickers. You see where they go on this one? See?
Yeah. I'll put this one on next.
Okay. Do you see where it goes?
Right here.
Last
Where
piece.
does this piece go?
Do you see? Let's look.
On there.
You see where it goes?
Yep.
Okay. Last sticker.
Why you got 3?
Because that's how many are in the set. And you can put them together. Alright, you want to open the door up?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, you got a piece that came off.
Small 4. Where's that? Where's the small 4?
It fell off. Alright, can you test putting the car in the garage? Does it work?
Yep. Look.
Okay.
It says car repairs.
Yep. Alright, ready for part 3?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, it's my turn. Yes, I pulled this one. Says no. Ooh, I'll put this ticket for young man.
Oh, thank you, Tracey.
Oh,
Oh.
the wish wash.
A wish wash. Then this.
Wish wash, screamed George. George, come on, to the car wash.
That's right. Oh, careful.
Bah!
It's okay. Yeah, this one's a little frustrating, I think. So let's try getting that piece to fit there.
I'll put this
Wait, I
one
see
right
that.
on.
It doesn't really want to fit, does it? Oh,
And
there it
I'll
goes.
put the 42
All right.
on it.
And then I think this is the roof.
I'll put 42 sticker on it.
That's close. That's actually 24. The 2 goes first. But good job putting the sticker on. And then watch. So this goes on like that.
And then
And then the car goes in.
Oh my! That's a great job.
wish wash, wish wash. But that's not all,
Was that a sign?
Now what's that?
Oh, it's a gate. Okay.
Mhm.
It's to block the car from not getting out.
Yep. Try to keep another car from not coming in. Now, don't forget, we've got the car wash sign too.
What is this?
It's
Ah.
the big C. It's long. There it is.
Wishy washy, wishy washy.
That's good.
Can you get that off?
Sure.
Good care. There you go.
Okay. Now, I think the sign is backwards, so we gotta flip it around.
Put it
I'll
on.
try putting it up. No, other way. Other way, T. There we go.
But put your sign on first.
Okay.
Oh,
Well, she
okay.
wants to do it that way, she can do it that way.
Wishy wash, wishy wash.
Okay, let's look at the sticker sheet and see what else we got.
Wishy wash, wishy wash, wishy washy. Where does this little dot go?
Oh, I know where the dot goes. I'll show you as soon as you get that sticker on.
Is it for this bit?
Okay,
Is it for this bit?
you're right.
What are the rest of the stickers for?
Look at the picture.
Yes. Harold helicopter flies up the sky. Harold rescue up the sky. Harold helicopter flies up the sky. He's to rescue a red blind. Harold helicopter water, rising skies, barrel helicopter, barrel disturb. What do these two pieces go on?
Okay, well, let's finish the blue pieces, and then we'll do those.
Side.
Yeah. Oh,
Oops.
it's okay. We'll fix it.
I'll put it back.
Yep. Good job.
Herald helicopter flies up the sky. Herald rescue and help save a prize. What are these going on?
All right, let's look at the picture now. Where do you see the two red signs?
Two red circles.
Right about there. Okay, time to test it out. Oh, we gotta put the roof back on. The roof sign needs to go back on.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Car wash broken.
Where's the green car?
Car wash. It's
Okay, do you need some help? Oh, it bent. Interesting. Okay, well, that's not. There we go. All right, now it's time to test it. All right, drive it up in. Is that the sound the car wash makes? There you go. Oh, you're doing it, making it spin, spin, spin. What do you think?
good.
Okay, Tracey. Now we gotta line them up. Watch this. You can hook them together.
Okay.
Can you hook the other one together to this one?
Why?
Yes. And you can have them all in a row. All right, Tracey. Can you tell us if you like these toys?
I like them.
Yeah, we want to play with them again sometime?
Yeah.
Okay, good job.
I want to keep them and show them around.
Okay, we'll show them to Mama. All right.
Swish wash, stay fresh cheese bags.